good day to you all. I'm Damir Harimovic from ANS Adria, the organizer and security magazine, which we publish for 15 years now. Today, this is a second side event. I will be introducing to Marta Woźniak and Filip Kriger from company ACO, which is a Polish manufacturer of door entry systems. Marta is responsible for the export department and international relations, with a role to continuously develop new target places. She graduated from Alexander Mickiewicz University in Poznan, and she has been also working in trade business for many years. And Filip has been working in ACO since 2008. He took part in creating almost all of the existing products. He started as an electronics engineer and initially worked for the technical department, followed by the one dealing with implementations, research, and development. Currently, he is responsible for putting products into production. Kriger also deals with modification and improvement of existing products. Marta will be our first speaker, so I would welcome her, and please take your stand and address to our participants.
Hello, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We're really pleased to be here with you. I will share my screen to show you our presentation. As the ACO representatives from our team would love to present our company and our business sector today. We have been manufacturing intercoms and video phones since 30 years. As a family business with traditions, respect for the product, desire to develop, we improve our products constantly, and we adapt to needs of our customers. So today we would love to tell you more about our manufacturer, and we will show you some of our devices. Our offer is tailored to the needs of the individual customers, small investments, and large developers. Our production is based on 4 product lines. We've got CDN line, INSPIRO Plus, COMO PRO, FAMILIO, and of course, moreover, we've got an IP solution, acoGO. Moreover, we have a great wide range of receivers as a basic line and modern glass monitors, so every customer can find something suitable for their needs. We will start our presentation from our first line, CDN. It's an example. We will show our top product, CDN P7. It was the first series of the intercoms in ACO industry. It's dedicated for the multi-residential buildings. What's good, the panel can be customized to suit the needs of the final customer because of the wide range of additional modules. The product is very high quality, and maybe for now, Filip will explain you more technical details, what we can find in our CDN line.
Okay, thank you, Marta. Thank you, Damir, for introduce. Hello, everybody. About CDN, the main feature of CDN panels are support for multiple expansion, additional modules to increase system functionality and to customize it, like you see. Wide range of possibility for individual configuration and the settings. Support up to 255 apartments and up to 6 digits an apartment number. Numeric keypad for dialing numbers, and code lock for access control. We have available 4-digit individual codes for each apartment to open the door by locators. Also, administration codes and installer codes are available. And CDN, we have also built-in RFID reader, RFID tag reader to open the door. Support up to 6,000 tags any number of key fobs assigned to each apartment or for the administration access. CDNs are waterproof and vandalism resist, backlit stainless steel keypad buttons, optionally with the Braille alphabet characters, powder coat aluminum alloy housing, available flash mounting and surface mounting. It depends on the used stainless steel mounting frame. And everything is easy to assembly and installation. CDN has also LCD heated display to show the alert number or other functionality like a message for the user, installer menu, and other information. And the other feature of CDN line is wiring type only 2-wire for audio systems, or UTP cable 5E or 6 category for video system. It's characterized by low power consumption, intuitive and comfortable operation and configuration, sound or visual signaling panel function, for example, for people with disabilities, operation and building multi-entry systems, control of the second gate or home automation, for example, to control external device like entrance gate, barriers, lighting from inside receiver, as well as by RFID tags or by the opening code. And programming from the built-in installer menu or from the PC computer with, of course, free software available. And this is, like you see, our CDN line. And we can move to the next line, the COMO. Marta, can you start?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, of course. So the second line dedicated, it's COMO. We would like to present you here an example. Our top product is COMO. It's the modern design, as you can easily see. Simple, elegant manufacturing. The series is dedicated to single family houses and villa buildings, even small residentials. Panels are made of high quality brushed stainless steel. We can offer you a wide range of audio and also video receivers, panels, sorry. Moreover, we are constantly developing our products. So we are still developing new functions and we want it to be much better and better. Each of the product, of course, can be flash or surface mounted. So here we will show you some example of the product and Filip will describe the technical features, exactly.
Okay, thank you, Marta. COMO supports intercom function between site receiver, has also built-in RFID tag reader to opening the door, support up to 10,000 key fobs, easy tags management by a master tag key to each apartment individual or supermaster tag key for all, easy add or delayed tags. COMO supports the most advanced Pro system. A special Pro 3 Manager software allows to manage the panels from anywhere on the bus, but I will talk more about it later. COMO is also waterproof and vandalism resistance, high quality and stainless steel made, 2mm flat front panel and stainless steel brushed buttons with backlight optionality with also stamped Braille alphabet characters, high resolution color camera with 2.8mm wide lens, adjustable position of the camera observation in each direction with infrared LED backlight for night vision, very good picture quality in the night and also in the day, of course. Individual illuminated call buttons with illuminated easily interchangeable and descriptive fields, maximum 6 buttons or 2 buttons and numeric keypad for dialing numbers also, and for the code lock to access control. Support up to 150 apartments, available for decades, also individual code for each apartment to open the door, also administration codes and installer. And the other feature is a wide range of possibility to, of course, individual configuration as the settings, also support for multiple expansion module to increase the functionality of the whole system, also control the second gate or home automation, the same RFID from RFID tags, receiver or opening code, and this easy assembly and installation, available surface and flash mounting. Wheeling type is also 2 wires for audio or 3 wires of audio from the Pro system. And video, the same standard UTP 5E or 6 category cable. Of course, low power consumption and individual and comfortable operation and configuration is just plug and play. Any settings are not needed when you put from the box. Working now. Sound and of course visual signaling panel function, for example, for people with disability. Operation and building multi-entry system also, and programming from PC software, free PC software from PC computer. And this is important that it's compatibility with other products like before CDN or the next line INSPIRO. Everything is compatible. Okay, then now move on to the INSPIRO line.
Yes, exactly. After CDN, we created the INSPIRO line. Here we will show you a few types of our product. We will focus at the top product of the INSPIRO Plus line, the INSPIRO PMR, which is adapted to the needs of people with the disabilities. It's a modern series of intercoms dedicated for the multi-residential, multi-family buildings. Panels are made of high-quality brushed stainless steel. Of course, it's water-resistant and vandal-proof. We will present you a wide range of video and audio products. Of course, each of them can be installed flashed off surface. So we've got around 20 models of the INSPIRO, and now Filip will explain you more details of technical.
Yes, the main feature and are common COMO panels, and the same high resolution camera with 2.8 millimeters, and also night vision with infrared LED backlight. But the INSPIRO supports up to 1020 apartments and also 6-digit apartment numbers. The same numeric keypad for dialing numbers or code for access control, and like in CDN, LCD display heated for show the dial number and function like message for the user. And the most important thing is dedicated PMR version for people with disabilities, and this is built in inductive TLAP, induction TLAP, and visual and sound indicator of the panel status. The indication TLAP allows people with hearing impairments to remotely receive the voice from the panel loudspeaker directly in the hearing aid. The indication loop is marked on the panel with the international symbol, and the standard is supported by most hearing aids. 3 illumination diodes show the status of the panel. It's calling the apartment, answer the call, and opening the door. And the sound indication consists of playing different voice messages like "the door is open, please enter." This is the PMR version, and Also, of course, we have available RFID tags, also support up to 6,000 tags. This is many common features from the CDN, and support many, of course, expression models, and INSPIRO has many versions of panels with different possibilities to suit to best suit your needs. Of course, operation and building multi-entry systems. I think the same only talks to that the winning type also is 2-wire for the audio, or UTP 5E or 6 category cable. And of course, it's compatible with CDN and COMO line products. And I think we can move to the our receivers, because
yeah,
thank you.
Always everything connected. So, of course, when we have our 4 product lines, we have in our offer a big variety of receivers. In our offer, we've got audio and video receivers, including high quality basic line with headphones, or as well we have the newest products like hands-free receivers. Moreover, you can find in our offer a big variety of video receivers, 7-inch screen monitor or 3.5 screen-inch monitor. We can be fixed with the audio unit together. You can choose what you prefer for your final project. So we will explain a bit more audio receivers, and after that we will show you some features of the video ones. We will show you as an example of our top product of UP800, and Filip maybe will explain more features of our
yes, our audio and video receiver. This is also yes, common feature. Like Marta said, is available in the UP800, available hands-free with the touch operate backlight buttons, ring volume control up to 7 levels of the up to 7 levels, visual signaling mute and the ringer, and the visual signaling the ringer, call volume control, intercoms calls between receivers, doorbell functionality is very interesting function, 2 buttons, opening and function button, for example, to open second gate or home automation, or control external any devices, hold and office functionality, auto opening function is called party function, so you can on it and the door is automatically open when someone calls. We have available 7-inch or 4-inch or 3.5-inch display, flat from panel made of real glass, allowing the adjustment of video parameters by the user, possibly connect up to 4 external video cameras, melodic ringtones, and video preview in any time. And this is a black version, and we have black and white version of the glass 7-inch monitor. Okay.
We will continue with something more unique, let's say. Yes. In our offer, we can offer you personalization. So like a manufacturer of intercom system, we create our product from idea through technology to the final product. In that case, we are able to meet the sophisticated requirements of our customers. Special orders, engraving on the panel, even we can make such crazy, extraordinary shapes like you can see below at the picture. All personalization is possible on the product from our 2 lines, so INSPIRO Plus and COMO Pro series. Of course, the final personalized product will be made of stainless steel, brushed stainless steel. So it's the same high quality steel. So I think it's very unique, and it's extraordinary in the market to use something, show something like that. For example, we have clients for the product in the hotels or some public places and industry. So we would love you to know that we have something like personalization in our possibilities.
Yes.
We will continue.
Okay. I also only add that we made everything in our factory in Poland, and so the customization is possibility because we have control every production, everything what happened, and every made we can do especially for you. And like I said before, the Pro Free Manager, this is a special PC software and feature, and the Pro system available now only for COMO panels, but we are want to put the Pro in the next product to allow you to manage the entire intercom system from one place. Just plug in on one place on the bus system special module called Interface Pro USB, and you can manage all devices connected to the bus, such all panels, receiver, and other modules. And you can switch all devices and check it work correctly. You can check the individual number, the device ID. You can change all settings, back up it, and transfer to the other device. You can set up the whole system on the one place. You can upgrade the firmware each device. You can set up password to protect access to the device, and you can switch off possibility change settings by user directly from device. And this is a perfect solution for installer simplify work with Pro products. Just one software, like you will see, connect anywhere to the common bus and manage them all. Pro products are currently one of the most advanced products in ACO, have the most possibility, are constantly being developed and improved. When you buy a Pro product, once you have constant access to upgrade, improvement, and new function that we still develop and was adding. So the COMO is now available in the Pro system, and we are working for the next product with the same system, because this is a very future system. Okay, thank you, Marta, for show our software Pro Free Manager.
Let's say
yes, and we may go to the acoGO.
acoGO. So here you can see we'll come back to the movie, but for now we will share with you something extra. Yes. In our offer, we've got the latest, let's say, newest product. We've got an IP solution for you for the better communication between your intercom with your smartphone. It's available as a video communication, so you can receive your video calls on your smartphone when you are not available and when you are not at home. So it's very useful and modern for nowadays. Gives you more comfortability. You can use extra functions to communicate by smartphone. Of course, it's safer for you, for your ordinary life, let's say. It's easier, safer. Moreover, it's very universal product because you can use it for the villa housing investments, and moreover, it's possible and available for the multi-residential connection. And Filip will explain more about our application and our acoGO device.
Yes, and the acoGO is our answer for IP solution, like Marta said. Everybody asks if you have IP solution. Yes, we have, but the IP solution, the people ask about possibility to answer the phone by the mobile phone. But of course, the IP is a very huge word. The ACO, my ACO, this is what you see, is your virtual service center. This is based on normally and friendly web page. The web system will allow you to remotely manage your acoGO devices, change settings, check status, adding new user of acoGO multi, changing user or delete them. You can also manage your administration people, yes, who will be delegated to maintain the system. So you can add it or change it. And next, you can buy here new service or license that will add new feature to your device and new possibility. You need video, just buy it every time you want. My ACO also helps you to manage your subscription and your user of acoGO multi and monitor payments for the all users. In the near future, you get the Pro Free Manager option remotely available on my ACO also, and all these things and even more is available from anywhere in the world through the ordinary web browser. Just you need internet and acoGO device. So this is our idea for the remotely access to your system of intercoms and manage them, and of course to mobile phone and connect your door entry system to mobile phone and answer the mobile phone calling from the panel. Now I will talk about the installation and wiring of the acoGO. And top you can see one houses on villa system. You need only outside unit panel. It can be CDN-P, COMO, INSPIRO. It's everything compatible. And then you need acoGO device, internet connection. Optional, you can connect inside receiver, audio or video, but it's not required. You don't need to install it. And you can connect up to 4 smartphones for your family to this acoGO. In the acoGO multi-apartments building, you need multi-apartment outside unit, like also CDN-P, CDN or COMO or INSPIRO. You need one acoGO device that supports up to 64 apartments. So you can buy a license expanding to 64 apartments by push it on my ACO. You need internet connection, and also option you can connect if you want inside the receiver the same. It's not a requirement, so you can only connect acoGO. You can connect up to 4 smartphones for each apartment. So if you have one ACO multi-gate, ACO multi-entry system, each of the user of the 64 user can connect 4 smartphone for each apartment. If you need more apartments, that's 64, you need another acoGO device. It's easy. That's all you need to have door entry system, audio or video in your hand, in your smartphone, everywhere you are. This is our solution for IP. Yes. Thank you,
Guys,
Marta.
sorry for
Thank you.
interrupting you. Just to remind you that we are halfway through our time limit.
Thank you for reminding. We hope so that we, encourage and interest you a bit about our products. And we always want to remind you that we are Polish manufacturer, so Polish technology through tradition and hard work and commitment. These qualities have been helping us to meet the needs of the customers for many years. As you can see, we are constantly developing, improving, traveling, like nowadays we are in Sarajevo, let's say, and we take part in many trade fairs, events to understand your needs and to understand better each market around the world. So we would love to invite you at our booth number 15. And if you would love to have if you have any questions, you can chat now on the online chat. We will really be glad to answer your questions. Moreover, we will kindly invite you for our booth number 15. So we hope we will meet you, and we are waiting for the future discussions. Thank you. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you, Marta and Filip.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I don't have any questions from participants, so let me as an editor ask something.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, first of all, I'm interested in integration of your systems with the systems from other producers. Can it be integrated with alarm system from the third parties and or video surveillance?
Filip,
Okay.
for me?
Yeah. Yes. Yes. We can integrate it into the alarm system also, because we have lots of modules, IO modules, that we can connect input or output relay or buttons or what you want. We can use our IP solution, IP acoGO, and connect to the IP world. And also we can integrate it by several cameras, because we have an example in the receiver, a video receiver, extra input for the extra cameras, and in the Pro system we can connect up to 4 external camera from exactly several system, and of course we can connect to the video camera in our panels to the video recorders, and of course integrate it. It's not very I don't know how I said, it's not very it's easy to do this, but it's not a standard. Our door entry system we provide with our standard, but we have lots of modules that can expand the feature and the possibility of our systems.
We can always upgrade the functions, I will say like that.
Yes,
we can always upgrade the system for the needs of the final customer.
Yeah, I saw that you have a high level of customization, so I probably
yes.
I hear such words.
No, really, because some of these things, at least in the design, are not so often customizable by other producers, so that's good from your side. The second question is that, for instance, let's see, projects and vertical markets. Are your products specifically designed for certain verticals, or can it be used in different ones? Or is it according to the product line? Maybe a specific product line is for some verticals and the other ones for some other projects. So
You mean the markets or
Yeah,
projects?
verticals like healthcare, education, critical infrastructure.
Being honest, from my side, like a representative of export, I can say like that we take more and more part in many tenders, like public tenders. So sometimes we do such projects, but let's say the base of our work is the developers and let's say B2B customers whose final customers are they do many different projects, depends of the project. Yeah, we have clients who install our products for the multi-residential buildings, so they are the bigger projects. Nowadays, as we can see in many countries, even in Poland, we are building more villa housing and more cozy apartments, let's say. So we need some individual solutions, but we are always open for any, upgrades or individual customized, let's say, situations, because we don't have such one, let's say, one final group, but yeah, we are always open for any.
Yes, I will add only that yes, that we also do some OM version of our products, and for the special, I don't know, needs. Yes.
We have such contracts. Yeah, that's true.
Yes. So our company, our factory is in Poland and is near Poznań, and in one building we have all production and R&D departments and software engineer and hardware engineer, and yes, and we can do everything what you need.
Almost, yeah.
But like Marta said, in the Poland is most popular. Our product is in the multi housing, multi apartments, big blocks, and big I don't know, thousands of hundreds of flats. And of course, we have that is why we have the CDN line and INSPIRO line, and of course we have lines for the villa and small housing like COMO, because it's also popular, most popular, but it depends on the needs of clients.
Yeah, and I assume office buildings, is it?
And what? Sorry, can you?
Office buildings also.
Yes, office. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And the third one is: are you looking for regional partners, for instance?
Of course, I also like that. Being honest,
that's your part.
A very direct question. Yeah, but we export in ACO since around 8 years. And we're still developing, but we have really a, let's say, good position in a few countries in the Western and Eastern Europe. And we are still looking for new contacts and new destinations. Luckily, Adria Security Summit was a good possibility for us to meet the Balkanian countries, the Balkanian companies. So we have some plans, let's say, and some discussions started, but we are really open for new relations. So hopefully we meet, even today in the afternoon and tomorrow still. We can meet in our booth, and we can always organize meeting with me and Filip together, and we can talk about the details. So hopefully we will meet you. So of course you can always talk to me. I'm the export responsibility for export, or you can talk to Filip, and we will give you all the useful details.
Yeah. And the final one.
Yeah.
So clear.
Don't worry, we love
the future of ACO.
The future of ACO?
Yeah, in terms of developing new products, and for instance, spreading to other markets, opening new offices, employing local experts to work for you. In any sense, the future of you, how do you see your company in the next few years, for instance?
I can say about the product, maybe.
Yeah.
Yes, let's start with that part. We'll be safe here.
Yes, we want to develop and we doing this now. We developed the Pro system that we want to have the system that you manage from the all of the bus or everywhere you on the world. Because the acoGO and our IP solution can connect to the Pro system, and like I said on my presentation, is also available to will be available soon to connect remotely to the acoGO and manage the whole system. Our company based on multi-apartment system is our roots. So we know what what they are needs for the installer, and now the world is like this. So we must go further, and we must do the system that allow you to remotely manage the whole access to the system. So the installer don't need to go there and some change settings or add RFID tags or add codes, change codes. So he can go to the sit down the computer everywhere he is and then change the settings. And this is I think the future of the door entry system. So the one person can manage I don't know, few or thousand of systems and don't without remove from home, from office, and don't go anywhere. And I think that I think we do this in our new product, the Pro product. And of course, we want to have a product that will be universal for each one. So the modular of the systems.
Cannot say all the details, Filip. Remember?
Yes, of course.
You know, we need a surprise for the new year.
Yeah, modulars of the system is we also see the future of the modulars. So the client can buy I don't know, camera if you need, and the panel if they need a keypad and the code access or the buttons. So the modular is our newest products that will appear, I think, next year.
But you need a surprise, so we cannot tell you everything. Maybe me about the international relations, because your question was so, let's say, nice and kind. Luckily, I'm proud of it, and today I know that some of our partners and distributors are present at the meeting, so welcome and thank you so much. What's the clue? We need to focus, at the markets where we are, and we need to take care as much as possible of our partners. But of course, we are working on a new markets, and it's the future. We want to explore more and more, and that's why we travel a lot. Now we cannot because of COVID situation, of course, but in the past year, we take part in many events. We were in Italy, we were in France, we were in Ukraine, so we are traveling, meeting new people. So still we are developing new places, new markets, and we are looking for, of course, we are looking for new relations,
Yeah. Okay, that was thorough. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you too. Thank you for today's lecture about your company. And I hope next year you will be with us also. And then maybe in some physical environment, I hope so. Yeah. So
oh yes, yes, we hope so too. Physical is the best.
It will be a pleasure to come to Sarajevo and really to meet everybody face to face, and hopefully next year we meet all together in Sarajevo.
Yeah, I don't think actually it will be in Sarajevo because we move from
Or-
country to country.
Or you will, exactly.
Here we're in a different country, but this year, of course, it's online, so maybe it will be in Sarajevo. But nevertheless, I would
We will
like
see.
to come and to meet all of these regional clients, potential clients, and certainly some of them will be interested in your products. So thank you once again.
Thank you,
And
Damir.
yeah,
Thank you.
you too, Phil, and see you sometimes soon.
Okay. See you. Good luck, everybody, and a lot of healthy.
Oh, for everyone, yeah. And
Yeah.
see you at our booth. We are still
Yes,
waiting
okay.
for you.
Yeah.
Thank
Yes.
you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.